Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I haven't made a DIY video since I don't know when, so I'm super excited for this one. The first one is wall decor. I have taken a piece of canvas cloth for this. I'm pasting down the edges with hot glue gun for a clean look. Then to create fringes, I'm rolling the wool around my hand and then I'm cutting it out and pasting it with hot glue gun. So I read it somewhere that there is something called evil eye and some people believe in that, and to protect from it there is something called protection from evil eye. So do you guys believe in it or not? I'm not sure if I do or not, but then here I'm making pattern of eyes all over the canvas. Our second DIY is a kawaii cushion. Kawaii, I hope I pronounced that right. But then for this, we'll make a bow first. I'm sorry for the, the edges, the rough edges. Outlining using pencil just so that I don't mess anything up while actually painting it out. So for our third DIY, we'll be making hanging plant. For this, you'll require 4 sets of 260 cm rope and fold it into half. Grab all of them together and tie a knot at the top. So the fourth one is a plant cushion cover. So this is very easy. All you need is white paint and black cushion cover and drawing the design. That's it.